Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS vertical alignment. Right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS vertical alignment specifically because we are still on our CSS text alignment and text direction. So, how we can specify vertical alignment property? When we specify the vertical alignment property, this is going to set the vertical alignment of an element, and it's going to set the vertical alignment of this one right here is going to set the vertical alignment of an image in a text. So back to our document, this is what we got. As you can see, this purple alignment, this purple image right here, and I'm going to switch it to the bottom right here using another property from the vertical alignment. As you can see, this image right here is the one I'm controlling using this vertical alignment property right here. So I'm going to switch it to the bottom by using vertical alignment text bottom value. When I save this and reload my document, let's reload. Can you see? Now it's around the top now. So definitely, if you can count, we are having three properties now, which we can use in our base, which we can use in our vertical align property. Now the first value is baseline. The first value is baseline, which we set our value to default. Definitely, as you can see, by default, this is where it is. So by default, let's say we comment out now. If you don't want anything, by default that's the same place it's going to be when I reload. Can you see? But let's say we now want another value. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about the vertical align text top. We discussed about the text top, which specified the top. Can you see? It switched the image to the top of our text, and and this right here, currently right now, we're specifying the text bottom, which change our our text, which change our image, switch our image to the bottom of our text. As you can see, the way it is. So I want you guys to stay focused with this because we are still going to perform some powerful stuff with this. But before I go, let me try this thing also with text, so you can see maybe it's going to look nice. You are going to understand it easily. So as you can see, this image right here, I'm going to write let me write span. Let me just write span right here and write anything like let me write span, one span here. Let me span this. Let me span here. So span. So I'm just going to write capital letter span and reload our document. Can you see the way the span is looking right here? The span is right here at the right hand side. So when we give this top, let's see how it reacts. When I give it top, let's see how our span also reacts to it. Can you see the span comes down but the image comes up? So it really works with the image very nicely, but the way it reacts to our text is different a little. So when you give it base, when you give it baseline, can you see our text is at the normal line, and also the image is at the normal line. But when you give it text bottom, which we are talking about right now, when I reload, can you see it reacts to our image very well than the text we wrote. So we are still going to use some other properties also. So I just want you guys to be aware of this because this reacts to different elements in different ways. So I'm going to write span right here. I want to copy this. So I want to take it to the immediately. Let me take it. I want to put it before the two, so that you guys can be able to see it clearly. In case now the span is here, so and the image is here, so I'm using it in our span right here and also in our image. Let me give our span a background image, background color. Let's give it background color of what? Background color of red. And I give it background color of red. Let's see what we got. Yes, now this thing is having background color of red, so that you can be able to be monitoring the movement. Let me give it blue instead. I don't like that, but yes, let me give it blue instead. Let's see. Let's give it gold rod. I'm going to give it gold rod. Yes. So in our next tutorial, you're still going to see this. We are using it with this span and also with this purple image right here. Let me try. Maybe I can increase the size of the image a bit so you guys can see. Maybe let me give it 20 pixels if it works. Now as you can see, the image have increased the size now, so we're going to be testing it with our text and our image more and more, so you guys can see how it works together. I think I have to stop here for now. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.